today, let's start with chapter number 12, Heavenly Bodies. What are heavenly bodies? The sun, moon, star, and our own planets. They are known as heavenly bodies. Now let's start with the chapter. The earth, the sun, moon, and the stars and other planets exist in the space, and these planets are known as heavenly bodies. The earth is the planet. It is the part of solar system which has 8 other planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus, and Pluto. What are these? These are the planets, and it is the sun. And planets, they revolve around the sun, and all planets move in a definite path. This is a sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. And Pluto is considered as a dwarf planet. ठीक है, अभी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है, इसको dwarf planet मान लिया गया है. Now the planets revolve around the sun. All the planets move in definite path called orbit. The Earth is the only planet which has life on it. Scientists are doing research to find out about the other planets which might have life. Now, what the planets revolve around the sun, they move in a fixed path, जिसे हम orbit कहते हैं. Now, scientists are doing different research to find out about the planet, any other planet other than Earth that have life. More than 2/3 of the Earth is water and rest is land. It looks like blue surface from the space. It is sometimes called blue planet, and it is the 5th largest planet in the solar system. ये क्या है? 5th largest planet है हमारे solar system. Now, shape of the Earth. Earth की shape कैसी है? The Earth is spherical like a ball. In ancient time, people believe that Earth is flat. पहले लोग ये मानते थे कि Earth flat है. उसके बाद कोपरनिकस जो थे वो गए, उन्होंने देखा कि Earth कैसी है? Round है, spherical in shape. Some European sailors started their journey from one point to another. They kept on moving in one direction. भाई जैसे अगर वो इस डायरेक्शन से गए तो घूम के आते इसी डायरेक्शन. उससे क्या पता चलता है कि अर्थ इज spherical in shape. They reached at the point where they started, and what it shows कि जो अर्थ है, it is spherical in shape. If we observe a ship sailing in the sea, we will see that the lower portion of the ship disappears first. Similarly, when we see a distant ship coming towards, we will see upper part of the ship first. देखो जब वो मूव कर रही है तो अब जो नीचे वाला पार्ट है वो पहले वो नीचे डूब जाता है. फिर अगर हम आते हुए देखते हैं तो अपर वाला पार्ट ज्यादा दिखने लगता है. तो ये इससे क्या पता चलता है कि जो आपका अर्थ है वो कैसे शेप में? स्फेरिकल शेप. नाउ मूवमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ. Earth do 2 types of movement, that is rotation and revolution. Rotation, it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, and revolution, it takes 365 hours, 1/4. Rotation causes change in day and night, and revolution causes change in season. It is a major difference that I have told you about rotation and revolution. Now let's study about both the topic. The Earth rotates on its axis like a top. It takes 24 hours to complete one. Spinning of the Earth on its axis. The spinning होती है Earth की on its axis is called rotation. The Earth revolves around the sun, and the movement of Earth around the sun is called revolution. जो movement होती है Earth की around the sun, it is known as revolution. How many times it takes? 365, 1/4 days to complete one revolution. The revolution of the Earth brings change in different season. We have different season, तो changes इसकी वजह से होता है. Those portion facing the sun are hotter, and those portion which is completely away from the sun, they are cold. Now sun. Sun is a big star. It has its own light. Which reflects on the planet. Sun is a big star. It has own light. It reflects on the planet which revolves around it. And what it produces? It produces heat and energy. The heat and energy reaches us in a form of sun rays. और जो heat और energy है वो हमारे पे कैसे पहुँचती है? In a form of sun rays. Plants make their food in the presence of sunlight. This heat keeps the earth warm enough for human beings to live and grow. Next is the moon. The moon, it is the natural satellite of the earth. It does not have its own light. इसकी light को reflect करता है sun. The moon is much smaller than earth. Earth से बहुत छोटा है. And it takes 28 days to complete one round of the earth. From the earth, it can be seen only part of the moon that we are facing the sun. देखो जो part हमारा sun face कर रहा होगा वही part आपको moon का दिखाएगा देगा. Other part will not be seen. Due to changes in the position of both earth and moon, we see different shape of moon every day. देखो आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि रोज सेम ही शेप दिखाई दे. कभी आपको फुल मून, कभी न्यू मून, कभी गिब्बस मून, कभी क्रिसेंट. ये क्या है? ये डिफरेंट शेप्स ऑफ मून हैं जिन्हें हम phases of moon. They are known as phases of moon. First Indian to go in the space, who was he? Rakesh Sharma. Now last is star. देखो स्टार्स हमें कब दिखाई देते हैं? नाइट में दिखाई देते हैं, ट्विंकलिंग. पर दे आर सीन वेरी, बहुत छोटे छोटे दिखाई देते हैं, बट दे आर नॉट दैट मच स्मॉल. दे आर सो बिग. तो व्हाई दे आर सीन सो स्मॉल? बिकॉज दे आर फार अवे फ्रॉम अस. Stars are the huge ball of hot burning gases. They have light on their own. We see star quickly. They appear very small because they are far from the earth. वो छोटे क्यों दिखता है? क्योंकि वो अर्थ से बहुत ज्यादा दूर है. Now, chapter has been completed. Let's quickly revise what all we have studied in this chapter. I have told you about Earth, Sun, Moon, and other planets that revolve around the Earth. Then I have told you about different planets. We have different planets. ठीक है? Earth हो गया, आपका Sun हो गया, your Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus. These different planets I have told you about. Check it. And then we have studied one by one about Earth, Sun, and stars. And we have seen the movement of the two types, rotation and revolution. Now, let's start with the exercise of the chapter. Take the correct answer. The Earth is a dash, space, planet, orbit. The Earth is a planet. The Earth has dash other planet. Earth has 8, 9, yes, 7. How many? 8. The sun is dash, hot, cold, and cold. Hot. The planets revolve around the sun. The earth has 2. Movement. The earth takes dash to complete one revolution. It's take 365 upon 4 days. The shape of dash changes every day. The shape of moon. The moon is much than the earth. Is much smaller than earth. Next is take the correct option. The earth is also called black or blue planet. क्या कहा जाता है? Blue. Dash of the earth is completed in 24 hours rotation. The stars they do not have their own light. Have their own. The moon is the dash, natural या फिर artificial satellite of the earth. It's a natural. The earth is spherical or square in shape. It is spherical. Now write T for true and F for false statement. First statement is the sun revolves around the earth. No, the earth revolves around the sun. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Moon is the coldest planet. False. Sun is the hottest planet. It's true. Mercury is the smallest planet. Okay? It's true. Now answer the following question. What are heavenly bodies? The earth, sun, moon, and other planets, what they make? They make heavenly bodies. What is rotation? The earth completes its rotation in 24 hours. What is revolution? When what is revolution? When the earth revolves around the sun in a fixed orbit is called revolution. Why is that blue planet? Because 3/4 of the land, Earth is covered with water. That is why Earth is also called as blue planet. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. That's all for today. Thank you.